everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Footlocker account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your Footlocker account, first open up a web browser, go to the web address bar at the top and type in www.footlocker.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of footlocker.com, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click on this welcome sign in link, which will bring up the sign in area. In the sign in area, you'll need to type in your email address followed by a password. Type in your email associated with your Footlocker account in the first text box and head over to the password field and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your password, you can reset your password by clicking on Forgot Password link beneath. Follow the on-screen prompts and reset your password to a new one. If you don't have an account yet for footlocker.com, click on Create an Account and follow the instructions in order to register first. Once you enter your credentials, click the sign in button and wait for a few seconds. And with this, you'll be able to log into your footlocker.com account quick and easy. Footlocker is an American sportswear and footwear retailer. With your footlocker.com account signed in, you can go ahead and shop varieties of footwear, apparel, and accessories right from your computer or your mobile devices. That is how you can easily log into your Footlocker account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.